with thousands of satisfied customers and hundreds upon hundreds of positive online reviews. The most advanced EA ever to hit the open market. Just 4 years ago, something happened that changed the Forex trading forever. Experienced traders immediately began to take notice. Profits were gained and records were set, despite the volatility and the unpredictability of the Forex market. The year was 2011, and a new Forex robot had just been unleashed. It soon became apparent to analysts and experienced traders that this robot was unlike any other robot. For the first time, there was an EA that was self-learning, self-updating, with the ability to adapt to changes in the market with pinpoint accuracy. Experienced traders referred to it as the greenest, the most advanced Forex robot they'd ever seen. Its name was WallStreet Forex Robot, and it wasn't long before it changed the Forex game forever. The moment WallStreet Forex Robot went live, it began to produce profit gains of over 700% across the board on real money accounts. Forex WallStreet Robot performed so well that it gave investors 4-year real live performance with 500% proven profits. But this was no surprise. For 4 years, WallStreet Forex Robot has continued to evolve. It has learned from the mistakes and losses of other investors. WallStreet Forex Robot has studied the market and all its nuances, and today, at this very moment, the EA is even more advanced and far more powerful than it was at the beginning. For 4 years, WallStreet Forex Robot has remained the #1 ultimate weapon in Forex trading, and it is still profitable for traders everywhere. It's still being updated and it's still being supported. But WallStreet Forex Robot is barely recognizable. The advanced EA that was originally launched in 2011. This is due to how much it has learned and how much it has evolved. Get the most advanced EA in existence, and Forex mastery will soon be in your hands.